Welcome to Bloggingify store, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase Oxy Toolbox Pro plugin from Bloggingify store. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect on this type of product page here. Okay. So otherwise you have to open your browser and FR Bloggingify store. So here's the few ads with my domain name. So here you can see our website. So just open it, and here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with lifetime update, and we have lots of Oxygen add-ons too. So just click on WordPress plugins and click on Oxygen. So here you can see we have lots of add-ons of Oxygen. So if you want to purchase Oxy Toolbox or other things, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. So let me type Oxy. So here let me find Oxy Toolbox. So here's the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Use for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will install your product with our original license key in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you will understand all these things. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, your last name, and your email address for invoices, and select your payment method and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect on this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will receive our premium contact support there. So send your website temporary access with us, and we will install your product in a few minutes. That's a simple process. Thank you for watching this video.